Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find my routing number in TD Bank app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To find your routing number using the TD Mobile Bank app, what you need to do first is head over and open up your TD Mobile Bank app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account using your username and password. And once logged into your account, simply tap on My Accounts or Accounts from the home screen. Then select the specific checkings or savings account for which you want the routing number, and then simply tap on Details tab. Now look for the direct deposit info section, and here you'll find your routing number along with your account number and other relevant details. This information is useful for setting up direct deposits, automatic bill payments, or wire transfer. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.